Hello, friends. I'm here again with Erin Millington from Millington Insurance, and today we wanted to discuss about condo insurance because, like a city, we do have a lot of condos. I mean, the suburbs too, and we wanted to give information about condo policies. So, Erin, if you could tell me about like different condo coverages or condo policies.
Yeah, so the condo policy is called a condo policy. It's referred to as an HO6 policy in insurance terms. And it's a little different than a standard home policy in that it's only intended to cover the studs in. So with a condo, you'll usually have an association and they'll cover the roof, the siding of the structure, and then you as a condo buyer, you're just insuring the inside of your unit.
So, what are like coverages that is very important that you wanted to recommend for consumers?
Yeah, so the first thing I really like to recommend for clients is, to look at the square footage and the upgrades within the condo. And then you can determine how much it would cost if you had a catastrophic loss and you needed to rebuild the kitchen and maybe you have like custom flooring or crown molding. You really want to get a good value estimate of what it would cost to do an interior rebuild. That's the first step. The next thing would be to make sure that you have loss assessment coverage, and that's a coverage that you should be able to determine if you are able to read your bylaws from your condo association. And I call that, it's almost like a deductible that all of the condo owners pitch in to meet the master condo policy deductible amount in case there was a total loss. So that's something that I think goes unnoticed sometimes, and it is an important coverage because as a condo unit owner, you are responsible for your portion of that loss assessment coverage. The other thing I would just, be sure to make sure you have an affordable deductible, not too high of a deductible in case you had a loss. Those are kind of the three main things I would like to point out.
Okay, well, wonderful. Well, thank you, Erin. So there you have it, folks. It sounds like make sure that you have an affordable deductible. Check your condo bylaws, and if you have the master, the condo policy, to review it with your agent. And if you have any other insurance questions, please don't hesitate. Erin's Millington's information is in this video. And as always, I'm here to serve. Take care. Bye.